we are actually on the right track with the Mopa International Airport, with the port connectivity, with the rail connectivity, and with the road connectivity. So definitely, so in the coming days, we are on the right platform. So on a Gati Shakti, so everything will be on one platform, and to plan the industry in a different sectors, we are using this platform. So definitely with investment, whatever the coming in the state, is right investment is coming in state. For this investment summit 2022, already we had asked for the GCCI and coming for Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, we have asked them to at least 75 different investment should come in the states.
I feel this is the right time for somebody to invest in Goa. As the government looks at employment and revenue opportunities for the state, it's a right time for you because we have a lot of things happening. I think the videos have showcased everything possibly. Right from ease of doing business, a single window, the opportunities that are available, and the stalls outside will speak a lot more than what it is here. I've had the opportunity to interact with a few of my friends here from the industry who are part of different associations in the country. The thought process looks to be very energetic because end of the day, the Prime Minister's vision under Atmanirbhar, our CM's vision under Swayambhurna Goa, we have a lot of things to do. And when we look at Akhanda Bharat, there are so many opportunities that are available that are opening up. Today we can proudly say and stand and say that we are Indians and that's our pride.